Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel. Share this video out. Give me your thumbs up, your thumbs down. Give me your comments. Let me know how you're doing. I would love to hear from you. Y'all, please don't hold it against me for making these videos right now. It's the only way I can keep sane. I got to keep my brain working on something. A little update on my wife. The doctor did arrange for me to go visit my wife. I was only supposed to be in the room for 30 minutes, but they let me stay in for about an hour and a half. Y'all, to me, when I went up there, I was expecting a lot worse than what I seen. Yes, she's having a lot of trouble breathing and communicating, but it's not as, I don't want to sound that way, it's not as bad as what I was expecting to see. They did say it could go south at any minute. They said she could improve at any minute. And the short time that I was there, they said it looked like she had an improvement. So that's positive right there. Y'all, please keep praying for her. Don't stop. I got to have her back home with me. Okay, we're going to get into this video. Why I think Donald Trump will sign almost any bill they put across his desk right now. We know this past week, Stephen Mnuchin said a payroll tax cut will not be in the bill. But he did say that they was going to get this stimulus check out as fast as possible. He said the first part of this bill is going to be focused on getting more money into the people's pockets as fast as they can. Stephen Mnuchin also said that this next round of stimulus checks will go out sometime in August. He also said that they are looking at making the same stimulus check as it was before. And we know that was $1,200 one-time payment. It was $1,200 for an individual, $2,400 for a married couple, $500 for dependents. So if it's the same check as it was before, that's what it would be. And it would be going out to the same people that got it before. That's what Steve Mnuchin said. But now we know Mooch McConnell since then has said totally different. So we got to wait and see. But what I am saying here, I believe Donald Trump will sign the bill that they put across his desk as long as it has provisions for a stimulus check in it for the people. That is his main focus right now. That is Steve Mnuchin's main focus right now. That is everybody's main focus except a few Republican senators and Mooch McConnell. So if they can get agreement on that and get a bill to President Trump as fast as possible, he would sign it almost immediately, because he knows if he says no on almost anything, it would be political suicide. So if they got a bill to Donald Trump today, which they could do if they tried, President Trump would sign it today. Let's just see what they do. This is Monday, so we know they didn't do much last week. Let's see what they do this week. Their track record is not good for getting stuff done. But I do believe Donald Trump will sign almost anything they put across his desk if it's got a stimulus check in it for the people's pocket. Y'all, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, a thumbs down. Please share my videos. It would help me tremendously. And just know I love you all. And please keep praying for my wife. She needs all the prayer she can get right now. That's the only thing that's going to pull her through. I love you all. Until tomorrow, I'm going to keep trying to make these little videos as much as I can. But just know my main focus right now is my wife, and I know you understand that. And I want to thank y'all, all the emails that I've gotten from y'all. I've got cards and letters in the mail from y'all. I got all the comments here from y'all about my wife, and I've been telling my wife about it. And when she gets home, I'm going to let her read them. I love you all. Until tomorrow. Ciao.